it's Kelly, and today I'm doing a room tour. It was so requested, and I just thought I should share my room. It's obviously not perfect, I'm still working on it, but I just want to show you guys what I have so far. So, yeah. Oh, hey, come in. So here is my door, pretty plain, yeah. But then we have this little purse, I don't like saying that word. It's from, wait, it's from like a, this is from Aeropostale, and I got it for like $5. That's like the only reason I got it. And I have this little thing here. I don't know who gave it to me, but if you know that you gave it to me, thank you. I like it. So here I have this little good vibe sign, and I got it from like Weathered something, like a random website. I really like it though, and I have it above my door so that when I exit my door, I have good vibes. It doesn't really work, but you know, we still work with it. Here we have my little jewelry rack. This is from Summer Love Designs. They just gave this to me, like, and I was like, wow, thank you so much. And I have a bunch of necklaces. So these are like my longer necklaces, my chokers, and then some bracelets. And yeah, I really love all my jewelry. And most of it is from Summer Love Designs and Brittany Melville and other random stores where I live. So this is my Tapestry. I really don't like it. I want to have a Polaroid wall, so I'm working on that. But yeah, so I've had this since 7th grade, and I'm so sick of it. So I'm going to take it down once I have enough Polaroids to start a Polaroid wall. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But you guys always ask where it's from. It's literally from Amazon. It was like $20, so yeah, I really just don't like it, but you know. So this is my bed. We have some nice pillows. I have no idea where they're from, probably Target or Home Goods or something. I have my fairy lights from Urban Outfitters, but you can get them on Amazon for like literally $2, and they're like the same thing. And then we have this cute painting. It's from Olivia. She actually made it, so thanks Olivia, girl, love you. I always have my blankets here. Oh, and this is satin. I'm obsessed with satin. Literally everything I own is satin. And then here's my nightstand. So I have my alarm clock, and it's like not on right now because I unplugged it, but every time I like hit snooze, it makes this sound, and it's honestly like traumatizing. I'm gonna hit it. Ready? Oh wait, it's not plugged in. Okay, this is it. It's the most terrifying sound you'll ever hear. Like, I don't know why, every time I hear that I like get PTSD from school. Then we have this little thing. I really like it. I'm not sure what it is, but I made it, so I really I think it's cool. I don't know, but I just like print out cool pictures that I like. So Olivia, I made this at your house. I'm gonna make another one soon, just so you know. Here I have my retainer. I hate my retainer so much. It's the most uncomfortable thing I've ever had, but I wear it every night. So guys, wear your retainers every night, don't forget it. So what I'm sitting on right now is where I put all my jeans and leggings and like pants. I'm not gonna open it because it's so messy that like I feel like you guys will like unsubscribe and never talk to me again. So yeah, here we have my camera. It's my Canon Rebel T5i, and I use it for like videos, but right now I'm using my G7X. I don't know, I just want to like switch it up. And then I have my studio lights. Here I have some pictures that I like. Here we have a sign that says "You are loved because you are loved." And then we have a mirror. Like, it's like really shouldn't be there, it's so dusty. And here we just have like stuff I use every day. And then I have dry shampoo with all my scrunchies on it because I don't know, I need somewhere to put my scrunchies. Here I have my desk. I really like my desk. It's so big and it's really good for like homework and just like doing anything. So I have my makeup brushes and then a speaker. And then I have this really cute picture of me when I was literally in 1st grade. Here I have a mirror. I love my mirror. And then I have my diffuser, and I put all my like essential oils in it, and it's supposed to calm me. I don't really know if it works, but I just pretend it works and it makes me feel better. These are my Harry tickets. I'm seeing Harry June 21st. I'm so excited. And then I have my closet. I'm not gonna go in because it's seriously the smallest thing you'll ever see, and it's so messy because like there's no room for anything. But I have this backpack with Brittany Melville, and I really like it. I use it if I go to the city or something. And then I have my mirror. Hey guys. Here we have my dresser. It's actually Gami's, hi Gami, and we just painted it white, but it's like peeling. So if you see any brown spots, you know why. And I have this telephone thing that I have some change. Ready? Oh my god, how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. It's okay, we need something fun in here. I don't know if I thought it would be a smart idea to like pick it up And then I have a snow globe that I got for my Secret Santa. And it's literally me and Finn, like an edit of me and Finn. And then I have this little elephant that was my great aunt's. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And then I have my TV. I always watch Boy Meets World before I go to bed. Boy Meets World, such a good show. Here I have my little place where I put all my rings. Pliable sticker. And then a candle. Another fake succulent because I can't keep real plants alive. And then I have a rock. I forget where it's from, but it's from like somewhere exotic. Iceland maybe? I don't really remember. And then I have my hammer, but it's gross because there's some clothes in there. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I want to get 2,000 likes. Yeah, subscribe if you're not already. I'm so close to 60,000, which is really crazy. You can follow me on all my social medias if you want to. They're always linked down below. Yeah? I'm kind of filming. We're going to go on an adventure. Bridget, come here. She hates cameras. She really hates cameras so much. So, I'm really out of breath. Check out my last few videos if you want. You don't have to, but like, if you want, you can. Thanks for watching. Bye.